All right, so we are back on Zero Entertainment. It's been 9, 10 days that we've did it straight, and it feels good. Actually, it feels like I'm fully back to normal. I made a video previously saying like, oh, I feel like myself again. Now I feel like my strongest self again, like how I was when I was doing my 30-day challenge in Japan, and I felt like like this confidence in myself, this confidence in general, and trust and self-love and all that stuff. Man, it's crazy how it's tied to. I think the reason it's tied to Zero Entertainment is because whenever I'm on Zero Entertainment, I do all the stuff that I want, and I'm working on things that I want, and I'm like, for instance, 4 days out of this week was constant just work, just the things I wanted to do, like working on piano, working on my challenges, working on my audiobook, and no distractions, just continuous work and learning and feeling good. Now, I've also been thinking about, I just had a dentist appointment, but I was thinking the entire time during the dentist appointment, like, because I've been trying to figure out like what's the perfect sort of system to organize everything that I want to do. And for me, I did a very, very long reflection session this morning, and I decided on 5 things. Well, I decided 5 is like just a number I really like. So here is what I believe, I guess, is the perfect system for myself. It'll probably change, so perfect is, a quotation word. But number 1, physical health, obviously very important. It has to be part of the routine. Number 2, mental health, also very important. It has to also be part of the routine, and in that sense, it's just like, I don't know, talking to someone, messaging someone, like interacting with someone in real life, in person. Those are the 2 things that are kind of like baked into the daily, like things that you should give some time and energy to, because it overall will help you with your life. And then 3 more things. And this doesn't have to be 3 things. It can be 1 thing, 2 or 3. But I put it into 3 categories for myself. Number 1 is the impact project. So right now that's the audiobook for me. It's like, what am I creating that's like a classic? So, and a classic being like, oh, you're gonna be known for that thing, right? And the audiobook's kind of my first product that I'm creating. That's like, I'm putting lots and lots of hours into it. So more hours than I can count, like over 100. So this project is definitely the classic I'm working on, and it's gonna make an impact for myself and possibly for others. So that's number 1, like you should always be working on that. And number 2 is the side project. So something that is maybe more so for fun, but also helps you like learn and helps you do something you really want to do. For instance, for me, that's the Amazon Affiliates Challenge right now. And also the 3rd thing is the second side project. So that would be piano for me, like working on my music album or doing this piano and singing challenge. Of course, it can just be 1 side project that you spend more time on. But the way I thought about it, it obviously depends on like how much time you have in a day, whether you're doing full-time work, part-time, or freelance like me. So for me, since I do freelance, I have more flexibility in my schedule. So I can just do like in a day, there's 16 hours, assuming you sleep for 8 of it, and then you can spend it however you like. So for me, I basically determined that how I should spend it is, you also don't want to burn out, right? So how I should spend it is 8 working hours on my stuff. So 6 hours will be on the classic, the impact project, the big one, right? And then 2 hours will be spent on the side project. Sort of like the 80-20 principle. You spend 80% of your time on like the thing that will make the most impact, and 20% on something else. So that's how I have it spread out. And then the last one is piano, the other side project. That's more so for myself. So it's not like a huge thing that I have to do, it's more so I really want to do it. And obviously this is all made up, right? This is by me. I determined this for myself. Like, you can maybe take something from it and gain some insight from it, but I do really feel like you should always be working on something that will make an impact. Like, that's the number one thing. Like, if you were to kill everything else and just have 3 things instead, those are the 3 things you should be doing. Like, the project that makes the most impact for yourself, and then, you know, keeping up with your physical and mental health. But you can even just erase the physical and mental health thing and just make it like, oh yeah, I'm just gonna exercise. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna like talk to my family or friends. And it's not even, you don't have to think of it as like a category. So you're just focused on one thing, which is the project that makes the most impact. But I'm kind of like all over the place, and I like doing a lot of things at once, so that's why I have it as 3 things. So that's what I determined for myself, and it's basically, the way I categorize it is I just need a list for each of those things, and then it's like whatever I'm working on at the moment for that specific sphere or category, I'll just like put in the time in a day for that one thing, and that's it. Let's make it like very, very, very simple. So for instance, for my piano time, I'm working on piano and singing, that challenge. And once I'm able to sing that song, I'll work on my album again using that time, the 2 hours in the day. Same with the impact project. It's just like spend 6 hours on the audiobook work. Like, that's it. Like, until I'm done with the audiobook, and then the next thing on the list, that's what I'll spend the 6 hours on. And then for the other side project, the challenge thing, that's 2 hours a day for the Amazon Affiliates Challenge right now. And once I'm done with that challenge, I'll move on either to a next challenge, or I spend 2 hours making a YouTube video talking about the challenges I did, trying to make the video decent for my main channel. So that's sort of what I've determined as like the system that I have. Like, just a very, very simple, streamlined process of like categories, lists, and like doing the thing on the list, on the top of the list, like using that time to spend it on the thing that's your focus for that category. So that's all I wanted to say. That's all I wanted to talk about in terms of like where I'm at. It's just like an update for, you know, being back on Zero Entertainment, feeling good, feeling strong, feeling productive, feeling like, yeah, I feel like solid, like just solid. And one other thing I was thinking about is the category that I call it as. So physical health is, I call it kinetic sphere, and then mental health, I call it connect. But I also have something called reflect, and I'm thinking about combining the two to be reconnect. And it's almost like the category of like, you know, actions that I write down and things that I feel, just notes for myself to be optimized for how to do it, right? For how to reconnect with people, a list of people that I care about, and like making sure I reach out to them, all that stuff. I think it's just a cool name, like reconnect, because in a lot of ways it's like reconnecting with people that you already know, but also the way I'm going to type it is like re with like a line in between and then connect. So then like for new people, there's also that. Yeah, I don't know. I just thought it was fun to think about and talk about. But those are the 5 categories I have and how I'm operating these days. I don't know, things, it always changes, but I feel like this is probably the system that's going to get me to where I want to be. Like I feel good and I feel strong. So let's keep it up, and you know, I'll pretty much document everything I do along the way. So yeah, you guys can see how it goes. All right, hopefully that helps someone out there. Maybe things are a bit messy and overwhelming, and some of these things maybe my system can help out with yours. Okay, that's it for this one. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.